Hello everyone, here are some beautiful hairstyles that you can make at home. First, roll the hairs as shown in the video, then tuck it on the other side. Then do this with the hairs that are open, then put beads on them and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail leaving 2 strands of hair from the front open, then roll it once, then braid the hairs with the ponytail, then braid the leftovers and roll it up, then tie up the strands from below and it's done. Moving on, first tie the hairs from the front, then roll it once, then put the hairs from the middle, then braid the side part, braid the other side, tie both the braids together and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then take one side of the hair and roll it. Repeat the same. Do it accordingly with the rest of the hair and tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, take half part of the hair and put the strands of the hair from within. Keep repeating the same. Do it till you reach the half and tie it and it's done. Moving on, tie hairs from the side, then take hairs from within, then braid the hairs, then tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, make a ponytail, then attach a bow to it and with the strands braid the hairs and tie it from below and it's beautifully done. Moving on, roll and tie a small part of the hair and tie it, making a flower. Do with the other strands. Make 3 beautiful flowers and it's done. Moving on, first tie the hairs from the above, then take out the hairs from within, then braid the hair, then braid the other side of the hairs and tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, first make the hair into a ponytail, then take a small part of the hair and braid it up, then take out the hairs from within, then tie the hairs from middle, tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, first tie a small part of the hair from the front, then roll it once, then take the sides and tie it as shown, then braid the hairs from below, then tie it and it's done. Moving on, first take a small part of the hair and tie it and roll it once, then pull out the hairs from within, then braid one side of the hair, do the same with the other side, put the clips and it's done. Moving on, first roll the hairs, taking each strands from within and continue doing the same till the other end, then pin it up and it's done. Moving on, put the hair in ponytail, leaving a small part of the hair from front open, then tie it in 2 parts and then roll it up, then make the braids with the leftover strands, then roll it around the bun and it's done. Moving on, roll the hair and pull out the hair from within, then place it across the ponytail and it's done. Moving on, first make the hair in a ponytail, then tie it once, roll it, then pull out the hairs from below and make a bow and it's done. Thank you for watching.